trigger so you're dripping up onto your roof up.
Oh, fuck's sake. Stick that on, look at that, perfect. Why did I use a different finger then? Fuck's sake. Ah, shit. I mean, I don't know how the fuck I'm supposed to do the other side. Oh, shit.
Move the ladder to the other side.
Nah, we're already up here now. Fuck!
Move the ladder to the other side.
Yeah, let's move the ladder to the other side, I reckon. Fuck me. Oh, shit. Ah! Fucking hell, that nearly went proper wrong then. If that had gone off, I would have been fucked. Oh. Stop laughing. Wish me luck. Yes. Oh, fucking hell, man.